الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على نبي الكريم وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. It is indeed unfortunate or sad we're meeting at such an occasion where we want to tell the world our own story of what happened on Friday when the Quds International Day was marked all over the world. It ended up peacefully, not perhaps not in Nigeria. And Nigeria is just the capital that the procession were attacked. So this is the press statement that I saw read. Guard Brigade attack on the 25th Abuja, 2025 Abuja International Coast Day procession. Yesterday, 28th March 2025, being the last Friday of the sacred month of Ramadan, 1446 after Hijrah, marks the International Coast Day, a day designated by Imam Khomeini, may Allah's mercy be upon him, as a day of significance in solidarity with the oppressed people of the world, particularly the Palestinians. Coast Day processions are activities being conducted globally in Britain, France, America, Germany, Australia, Sweden, Canada, and numerous countries in Asia, Africa, Latin America, Middle East, and virtually all over the world. Even in Palestine, even in Jerusalem, even in Washington, even at White House, Quds Day are being marked. The Islamic movement, under the leadership of Sheikh Ibrahim Zakzaki, may Allah continue to protect him, has been observing the International Quds Day event for more than 40 years in Nigeria. However, the 2025 International Quds Day was conducted peacefully across Nigeria except in Abuja. The 2025 Abuja International Quds Day started peacefully at Usman bin Affan Mosque along Aminu Kano Crescent, Wuse to Abuja. A few minutes into the commencement of the procession, a team of Nigerian Army, that's the Guard Brigade, attacked the Quds program using live ammunition. Many sustained gunshots and life-threatening injuries, and some lost their lives as a result of the brutality. Apart from the killing unarmed protesters, the army committed numerous atrocities, such as men arresting women in the premises of the Usman ibn Affan Mosque, beating women and children, and removing their hijabs within the outskirts of the mosque. These atrocities are taboo in Islam and Islamic culture. On the issue of clash or confrontation, there is no form of provocation from the participant warranting the brutality. Indeed, one needs to always wonder what you call clash. A set of people protesting peacefully on atrocities being committed on the Palestinians, and then suddenly army was fully prepared to war, came and attack with live bullets, and you call that clash. I wonder, we need to redefine the word clash, if that is the meaning of clash. Now, the public may recall that on 27th March, a letter emanated from the National Security Advisor's Office, which surfaced in the social media, directing security agents to take necessary action against the forthcoming international procession. The letter referenced NSA-366-S, dated 26 March 2025, that was sent to all security agents, including military, police, and other paramilitary, stated that, and I quote, available information revealed that the Islamic movement has scheduled Friday, 28 March 2025, for a procession in Nasarawa State and the FCT Abuja to commemorate the International Quds Day. The letter added that the procession is aimed at showing solidarity with Palestine. The letter ended with, I am directed to most respectfully request you to note the development for necessary action. You see, the letter itself is explanatory, that it is in commemoration, in sympathy with the Palestinian. So why don't the government or their agents, the agent of the values, why don't they organize their own procession in solidarity with Israel over what is happening, instead of coming to kill us. Since the release of that letter, the security agents, especially in the FCT Abuja, got prepared for the aforementioned atrocities committed in Usman bin Affan Mosque. Evidence of that can be deduced from the way security agents were stationed at the National Mosque and other mosques in the city. This incident is the latest in the series of similar events, where security forces have been abusing their power by targeting innocent civilians who are exercising their legal rights. The discontent in Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration is surprising. While speaking with Al Jazeera in Doha, Qatar, in March 2025, the ambassador, Yusuf Maitama Tuga, that's the Minister for Foreign Affairs, stated that Israel must stop its war on Gaza, and the world needs to stop these double standards over the killings in the besieged enclave. Then, here we are in March, the same March 2025. The National Security Advisor is directing the security agents to attack free Palestinian protesters in Abuja. Is this a double standard? Reliable information confirmed that the Guard Brigade and the police have arrested 380 protesters, including women and children. So far, about 6 bodies, we have 6 bodies that have been killed, and the number is changing because we have some information that some have been killed and been taken away to some undisclosed hospitals yet. And some are still in very critical condition. So the number can continuously, may change. Those arrested are being detained at SAS Abattoir, Buzape, Abuja, and those that reach martyrdom include Shahid Ibrahim Dalhat, that's Sharif Albani. Another one is Shahid Nasir Abubakar. Another one is Shahid Abdul Aziz Abubakar and Shahid Awal Abbas Bichi. These 4 have been confirmed and we have their bodies now, who are now being buried. However, the security agents are hiding casualties and other corpses of those that passed away in unknown places. Thus, the number of casualties and corpses with the Guard Brigade and the police are still unknown. Nevertheless, we will update the public in due course. We may also wish to state here that, similar to what we learned is happening in Israel and Palestine, when they attack Palestinians, they take away the dead bodies. We have been reliably informed that, and it's well known to the world, that they do harvest their organs. Right now, Israel is directly behind this attack that happened here in this city yesterday. So, and we have our dead bodies with them. We will therefore demand the release of our bodies and a thorough examination of their bodies to make sure that no organ has been harvested from any of our brothers, and this we will not condemn. We squarely hold Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, responsible for the atrocities committed by the Guard Brigade through killing, abusing Islamic tenet and Muslim culture while attacking 2025 Abuja International Courts within the vicinity of Usman bin Affan Jumat Mosque in Abuja. In view of the foregoing, we are demanding for 1. Unconditional release of all that have been arrested in connection with the 2025 Abuja International Courts Day procession held on the 28th of March 2025. We are also demanding the prosecution of those responsible for the killings. Certainly, somebody must have given the order, and some people, non-people have been, commissioned to carry out the killings. We therefore demand that these people should be fished out and punished accordingly, because nobody has any right to just take any gun, any arm, and just kill anybody just because he's exercising his fundamental human right. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, we want to say thank you for being with us, and we appreciate the press and your courage for telling the truth. We know there were question 1 on the issue of the number of casualties mentioned. Yes, the police might have stated they're 19 and we're measuring 380, that's about 20 times. And now it's left for you to believe who is telling the truth. But we certainly know what we are doing, and there are reports. These are, I mean, we have some people right now, we have them in our custody that are receiving treatment, and we have confirmed information that they have carried away some that have even the shot, even the dead ones and the wounded ones, right? As per the number of people died, yes, I mentioned 4 here. I told you right now we have 6, and I even said that the number may change because some have still they are still there with their life-threatening injuries in their bodies with their bullet, and they have not been taken to the proper medical care. So not anyway, the number may change, the number may continue to rise. So we cannot give you an exact figure. That's why we say we'll keep the public updated as the situation changes. Now, as for the issue of banning the Islamic movement that they called, well, this is an issue that is before the court, right? But let's assume, just for the sake of discussion, suppose Punch newspaper is banned. Does it give license to anybody to see anybody working for Punch and then just shoot him dead? No, answer me now. Thank you.